If you're looking to add a pop of blue to your garden or home, then Blue Echeveria is the plant for you. It stands out and is named for its gorgeous bluish-green foliage, a color not often seen in succulents. The edges and tips may highlight shades of pink, red, or brown. The tight rosettes give the appearance of a lovely floral display. A cluster of Blue Echeveria is like a bride's bouquet, and a single plant is delicate and lovely. As a houseplant, the Blue Echeveria makes a great addition to desks, balconies, and tea tables. When planted outside, Blue Echeveria makes for good ground cover, but also adds great color and interest to rock gardens. This species is critical to various butterfly species in its native range, so adding it to your garden may attract butterflies to your yard. Since it is native to South and Central America, the Blue Echeveria prefers warm climates. If you live in a temperate or colder climate, you should cultivate this as a houseplant. As a succulent, it is fairly low maintenance and easy to care for. Place it in an area where it can receive bright, transparent, and scattered light. Do not place it in direct sunlight as this can burn the leaves. It's important to plant Blue Echeveria in loose, ventilated soil. You don't need to water this plant very often, but the exact watering schedule will depend on the season. Blue Echeveria proves again and again to be a great plant due to its unique color and low maintenance. You surely will not regret adding this lovely succulent to your garden or home.